Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to directly translate Chinese on the RedNote app. Now you can change the language settings in the app, but that won't change the captions or the video that's been posted there. Right, because the videos are dictated by the users and some of the users are in Chinese. So of course they're going to post in Chinese. So for example here, if I scroll through and I find that most of it's in English, right? But there are some posts like this, right, that's Chinese, and I can directly translate it like I do in TikTok. Like usually in TikTok in captions, they usually say something like translate this post, right? So for the RedNote app, what we're going to do is that we're going to screenshot like this. And then once we have screenshotted, we're going to go to an app called Google Lens, right? So I'm going to go to Google Lens right now. And on Google Lens, I'm going to go to the translate section here. And I'm going to pick the screenshot I just picked earlier, and then as you can see, directly translate the screen there so we can see and understand what has been posted. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.